One second. I'll show. Yes, yes. In the important things in subsets, sir, if you they will give one set na, writing subsets is important. Okay, number of subsets is important. 2 power n of a. Number of proper subset 2 power n of a minus 1. This is important. Power set writing is important. Um, all the subsets if you keep in a set, this is 1 like 2, 1 comma 2. This is important. And the number of p of a 2 power n of a is the answer. These all are important regarding subsets. Okay.
The number of power sets are 4 only, sir.
4 only for this one. K set also important for these concepts. Okay. So the next one is Venn diagrams. Must see carefully. One universal set is there. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Universal set is there. Okay, and in this one small set is there, 1, 2, 3. Subsets only. These are the subsets of the universal set. 4, 5, 6 is there. Another case, universal set is there. This is one case. Okay, another case I am writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. It is like this. Okay, two cases you observe carefully. What is the first case? No common element is there. Okay, in this one common element is there. Okay, I am writing another thing is here. U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A equal to 1, 2. B equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this we have this for these three. Here 3 conditions are there. First condition is this one, the second condition is this one, and the third condition is this one. Okay, 3 conditions are there. For these 3 conditions I am writing the Venn diagrams. Okay, now after that I will explain what is mean by Venn diagram. Okay, for the first one, universal set is denoted by U. Universal set is always denoted by U, rectangle. In that subsets are there. One subset A is there, another subset is B is there. No common elements only there in this one. 1, 2, 3.
So, and one more doubt, in universal set, will there be the common, like, will the common like the elements be like included or not?
In the universal set,
will the common elements be like included, like 2 and 2 will be common, we'll take both the 2s or just 1, 2?
only 1, 2 we
Okay.
should take.
Okay.
You see, 3 is common in these both.
Yes, sir.
I will take you see for the second diagram. For the second diagram, you see.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sir.
Oh yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, but 3 is common in the both. Correct only, no? 3 is common in the both. 1, 2 is there in A, and 3, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. It is like this. Understood, Ra?
Yes, sir, got it.
Oh, yes, but you go for the third condition. You see carefully. If you go for the third condition,
Here 2 will be in common.
Universal set is here. So one set is here like this, and one more thing is there. A is the subset of B. A is the subset of B. Understanding here? A is the subset of B. A is inside the B. A is inside the B. 1, 2 is there in A, and 3 is there in B. 1, 2, 3 is there in B. 4, 5, 6 outside. 4, 5, 6 outside of these 2 sets. It is like this. Got my point? For the third one. So the relation between sets are denoted by such type of diagrams. One type of diagrams. These diagrams are called as Venn diagrams. What is mean by Venn diagram? The relationship between sets can be represented in the form of diagram. The relation between sets can be represented by the form of diagrams. These diagrams are called as Venn diagrams. In the Venn diagram, universal set is represented by rectangle, and in that subsets are there na. Subsets are denoted by Bhavana, are you there?
Circles.
Circles. Very good, Ra. Sai Prajwala,
Yes, sir.
very good, Rasai. You see, Venn diagrams means the relationship between sets are represented by the mean of diagrams. These diagrams are called as Venn diagrams. In the Venn diagram, universal set is represented by rectangle, and in that subsets are denoted by circles. Okay, na? Write it down, please. Venn diagrams. The relationship between sets can be represented in the form of diagrams known as Venn diagrams. In Venn diagram, universal set is denoted by rectangle and in that subsets denoted by circles. Write it down. For one a small example, we'll write like this. Universal set is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, you see, common elements are not there, disjoint sets. Okay, they are separated. If you add A and B, if you add A and B, what you will get? A union B equal to how much you will get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means universal set you will get in this case. Keep in
Yes,
mind. These conditions are important. But union we didn't discuss now. After discussing, once we will come to the Venn diagrams. Write it fast. Over this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write it down, please. Next one is operations on sets. Side heading, operations on sets. First we'll do these conditions are union of sets. Union of sets. So all of you see here. For example, don't write anything. Please listen here. 1, 2, 3, and B equal to, we are having 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B means union of set means A union B. We should write all the elements of A and all the elements of B. We should write in the answer all the elements of A and all the elements of B. But if you repeated terms are there, what we should do?
Write
Repeat
only one time.
only one time only we should write. Okay, na? 5, 6 is the answer. Okay, no need of writing this one. Directly we can write answer for this one. Okay, union of sets means it is also a set formed by taking all the elements of A and all the elements of B. Okay, na? If repeated terms are there, we should consider only once. Okay, na? That is the thing. If A comma B are two sets, A and B are two sets, then the union of A and B is the set which consists of, Bharat, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, all the elements of, already you written na, don't write all students, all the elements of elements of A and all the elements of B. Okay, the common elements taken only once. Denoted by A union B. Okay, na? For example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, comma B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, that implies A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down, please. Over this one?
Sir, no, sir. No, sir.
Okay, Guru, right, Guru.
Sir, finish.
Now see here carefully. Don't write anything. Listen carefully here. Bhavana, are you there in the class, Bhavana? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having. B equal to 1, 2, 3. We are having. A union B equal to. What is the answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5. Union 1, 2, 3. First we should write like this. And we should take all the elements of A and all the elements of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are getting A only, you see carefully. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means that if B is a subset of A, if B is subset of A, then A union B will become A only. Understanding? For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 1, 2, 3 we are taking. A union B equal to how much? 1, 2, 3 only, na?
Yes.
Which is nothing but A only. Means that A union A equal to B equal to A, na? In this case, B equal to A, na? A union A is always A only. And one more thing, if B is subset of A union B equal to A, these all under come under properties of union. Okay, na? Write down, please. Properties of union. Properties of union. First one is A union B equal to B union A. Commutative property. Second one is A union B union C equal to A union B union C. What is this property? Associative property. Third one is A union pi equal to A. Okay, identity element. Identity element. Pi is the identity element of A under union. Pi is the identity element of A under union. Next one, A union A equal to A only. Now only we discuss. Okay, this is called idempotent. So next one is U union A equal to U only, na? A is the subset of U, na? A is the subset of U. If B is subset of A, then A union B equal to A only we are getting, na? Like that. So U union A will become U only always. Write it down, please. Hey, for A union B Venn diagram you wrote, ra?
Yes, sir.
Hey, A union B Venn diagram you didn't write now, Lena?
No, sir, we didn't.
Oh, yes, you write Venn diagram for A union B. If you have some small space over there.
So we wrote this union B Venn diagram.
No, for the new
Old students, the new student.
new students, for the new students, A union B Venn diagram. This part is called as.
Sir, this diagram is for union of sets, no, sir.
Yes, this is diagram for union of sets. Okay, now I will write the diagram for intersection of sets A union B. This all red part is A union B. Now intersection I will write now. This is the Venn diagram for A union B. You write down after properties. You write Venn diagram for A union B.
Yes, sir.
Hey, who told Esra now? Somebody told yes, sir. Who's that? Sai?
Me, sir, Abhijit.
Abhijit. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Nothing, Rasai.
Ah,
Abhijit,
okay.
sir. Are your brother like that? Anybody are there in Narayanara?
No, sir. I have younger brother studying and still in 7th standard.
Acha, acha. Intersection of intersection. Write down, please. Of sets. Intersection of sets means that total elements we are taking. Common elements also we can take. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 also there. Common elements also we can take. All elements we can write. Common elements also we can take, which is called as intersection. 3 is the answer. Okay, na? Intersection means we should take the common elements of both the sets. Okay, the set of common elements in the both A and B. Okay, na? Write down, please. The intersection of A and B is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B. The symbol intersection is used to denote intersection. We write it as A intersection B. Intersection of A and B, we write it as A intersection B. For example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, comma B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, that implies A intersection B equal to what is answer? What is answer?
3.
3 is the answer. Okay, na? So properties also we can write for this. Properties A intersection B equal to B intersection A. First property. Second one, A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Associative property, it follows A intersection phi equal to phi only. Fourth one is A intersection A equal to A only. Fifth one is U intersection A equal to A only. Right now. Venn diagram for this. Intersection means common elements we should take. Universal set. This red part is the universal set. Unions, intersection. A intersection B. Write down. Union means all the elements we should write. Intersection means only common elements we should write.
Yes, sir.
Over this one.
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir.
The all concept I will give by today only. Huh? Regarding these sets, all concepts we'll do today only. We'll complete, and we will go for the questions. Maybe tomorrow. Otherwise, possibility is that today only we'll discuss the questions.
But tomorrow also classes are there, sir.
No, it's Monday next class.
Okay, sir.
All concept I will give by today, and next class we'll discuss the questions. We'll complete the chapter, easy chapter only now. And we'll go for the next week. We'll complete that relations and functions. So next one is difference of sets. Third one is difference of sets. If A comma B are two sets, then the difference of A and B is also a set. Formed by the elements of A which are not belongs to but not to B. We write it as denoted by A minus B. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, then A minus B equal to, first we should write here 1, 2, 3 minus 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minus B means the common elements we should cancel, and we should write only the elements of A only now. 1, 2 is the answer. A minus B equal to. Okay, na? We should write the elements of A only. For example, B minus A, if they will ask, B minus A equal to
4, 5, 6.
Yes. First we should write B here. 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3. Common element we should cancel. Okay, remaining elements of B only we should write. 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? So A minus B never equal to
B minus A.
B minus A if A not equal to B. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
If A not equal to B, A minus B not equal to B minus A. Okay, na? Venn diagram we'll write for this. I'll write Venn diagram for this.
Why we should write Venn diagram for everything? Why should we write Venn diagram?
Yes, actually, this is the we can represent the relation between these two sets in diagrams form also. If you write na, easily we can understand they are disjoint sets or adjoint sets. This and all possibility is there. You see, common element is there na. There.
Yes, sir.
What is the common element in the both?
3.
3 is the common element in this case. Okay na?
Okay.
A minus B means which part? A intersection means which part? And B minus A is which part? And if you say carefully, this is the A minus B, right? Actually, this is the A minus B part. A minus B part. Okay na? You see carefully. A minus B, if you take A intersection B and B minus A, they are disjoint sets again. No common elements only there in that. These and all relations we can find. Okay na? If you write Venn diagrams, easily we can find. Okay na? For that reason we are writing Venn diagrams for big questions also. Not two sets na, some exam, for example 3 sets also will come like this. What is the common element for these 3? How you can find? You can find intersection, no? Correct only. But Venn diagrams if you write na, easily you will get answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This part is called as A minus B. This part is called as A minus B. This part is called as A minus B. This is B minus here. This B minus here. Properties we should write now for this.
Yes, sir.
Write properties. Properties of A minus B. First one is A minus B not equal to B minus A.
B minus C.
If A not equal to B, second one is A minus A equal to how much? 5.
Not set.
U minus A equal to U minus A only.
A complement.
A complement, that one we'll discuss later. Okay na? And one more, third one is A minus B comma A intersection B comma B minus A are disjoint sets. Common elements we won't be in this. This is A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A. This is A minus B. This is A intersection B. These 3 sets are disjoint sets. No common elements there in that. Common elements not possible. One small thing also you write this one. We'll discuss later also this about this one. N of A minus B equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. Like that, N of B minus A equal to N of B minus N of A intersection B. Only the elements in A equal to, from N of A, we should delete the common elements of A and B. Keep in mind, important.
And again, n of b minus a, that is from n of b, we are just taking the
N of B minus N of B minus N of A intersection B.
number of elements, isn't it, sir?
Yes, yes, number of elements in B minus how many are taking only coffee but not tea? Like that questions will come now.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 1.6. Next, complement of a set. Complement of a set. If A is a set, then and UB universal set, the complement of A is the set of all the elements of U which are not the elements of A. Okay, denoted by A dash, that is equal to U minus A. They are saying from the universal set, if you delete A, not A you will get. Okay, A complement means not A. Okay, fine. For example, if U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma A equal to 1, 2, 3, find A complement. A complement equal to what is the answer? U minus A. U is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3. What is answer for U minus A now? What is answer?
1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6 is the answer. 1, 2, 3 will get cancelled na? 4, 5, 6 is the answer, Meghapriya. Write down, please. Properties also we should write for complement of a set.
Universal set minus a, that is outside, right? Universal set minus a, sir. Then the like except a, the remaining numbers,
I am writing the Venn diagram here, you see.
the remaining numbers which are there outside in this rectangle are called as like a complement.
Yes. Correct. This is the era. This is A. This is the universal set. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
You see. This is the A complement.
A complement. Yes, sir.
A complement is this one. A complement. U minus from the universal set, we should delete A. Important are these properties. Hey, over this one, students?
Sir, no, sir.
Sir.
Okay. All the concept today only I will give. We should do exercise 1.5. Sorry, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. 3 exercises are there now. It will take 2 hours. 2 classes, Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday I will start the relations and functions. Firstly, we should do next week. They may keep examination Saturday. Properties, right? Properties of complement. First one is A complement whole complement equal to A. Second one is A union B whole complement equal to important for the second year. B complement. Third one is A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. Next, fourth one is A union A complement equal to U. Fifth one is A intersection A complement equal to pi. Next one, sixth one is U complement equal to pi. Seventh one is pi complement equal to U. Write it down, please.
Yes, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next to special properties of on union and intersection. First one is n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Number of elements in A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. From this one, what we can say? N of A intersection B equal to, right? Union means or, intersection means and.
Okay, sir.
The number of elements in A and B means intersection we have to find. Okay, na? The number of elements in A or B means we should find union. This one answer is n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Third one is already I given this one, n of A minus B equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Write it down, please.
Yes, sir.
Next one is fourth one is n of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Using this formula only, we can find that one, n of A union B formula. Here B union C, you take it as one set, then you will keep in that formula, you will get it.
Yes, sir.
Write it fast. So concepts got over. What and all concepts we discussed here? We discussed about union of sets. Okay, Venn diagrams first today. Venn diagrams, union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, complement of set, and some special properties on union and intersection. And one more thing, last year they deleted complement concept. Complement concept they deleted. We didn't get this year blueprint now. They may delete this year also. The 30% they deleted last year, they may delete for this year also. So once we'll get the blueprint now, I will let you know which and all concept they deleted. Okay, now 2 minutes you check this concept, please, all of you. We are going to do the questions now from exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4 will do. The easy concepts are these all. Finding union, intersection, these and all are very easy. Check it fast, all the concepts.
1 minute, can you go back?
Okay, Ra. Yes. Hey, Ishan, are you there in the class, Ra, Ishan? Ishan Raghunanda. Yes. Check it fast. I'm going to teach you one exercise 1.4 this and all. Hey, learn about union, intersection, how to find, and difference, how to find, and complement, how to find. And one more thing, N of A union B formula. Definitely you'll get good marks. Maximum they are asking from this one only. These concepts only they are asking. The first question you see, find the unions of following pair of sets. Bhavana, are you there in the class? X equal to, very good, 1, 3, 5.
Sir,
What?
in middle, I'm getting like disconnected, sir. So,
Okay, tell me, what is your problem? That means which concept you didn't understand?
sir, I understood all the concepts, sir.
Okay.
Only in few seconds, like when you called me that time, no, sir, I got disconnected,
No,
sir.
no issue, Bhavana. No
Yes.
issue. Whether I'm asking you are there or not, like this. Huh?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You see, if this question, first we should write like this. X
X
union
to
y
Y.
equal X union y equal to 1, 3, 5 union. After learning the concept, direct answer we can write. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
What is the union of two sets? We should write all the elements, na?
Yes, sir.
So, students, anybody having doubt in this union, Ra? How to find? Varun?
No, sir.
Very good, Ra. So, we should write all the elements in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct or not?
So how
Sir,
6 will come, sir?
Sir, how
Look,
4 and 6 will come, sir?
if
4
you
and
do-
6 are not there, no, sir.
not there, not there, not
Yes,
there.
sir. Only 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Yes. But 3 is 2 times are there, but we should consider
We should
one.
not repeat it.
Yes, write down, please. So second question is A equal to A, E, I, O, U, and B equal to ABC. A union B equal to First.
E I O U
AEI
I O U
Union
B equal ABC
that equal to ABC
A
OU.
I O U.
right down.
Sir, is it compulsory to write A union B is equal
No,
to
no, no,
AEIOU?
no.
We can directly write the answer, sir.
Yes, you can, but basic questions now we are doing like that. Direct answer you can write, no issue at all. They won't ask
Okay,
only.
sir.
They won't ask only. You see, they will give in set builder form also like this. Natural number and multiple of 3 and b equal to x. X is a natural number less than 6. Directly you can write A union B equal to, what is the answer?
X
1, 2, 4, 5
5
or multiples of
9, 12, 3.
or natural number multiple of
3.
3.
We should write. Write down, please.
Sir, I didn't understand the third one, sir.
Third one, actually it is like this, A equal to 3, 6, 9 and so on. We have, okay, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Okay, na? A union B we are finding na. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3, 6 we are getting like this and so on we are getting. This all we are writing it as multiple of 3. Okay, na? These all are we are writing it.
Isn't it, sir?
Huh?
3 will be considering only one time.
Yes. Union set will consider only one time now.
But we should arrange it in order with you wrote 1, 2, 4, 5, then 3.
Ray, actually multiples of 3 I wrote it as separately.
Okay,
3 if you write here now, multiple of 3 means it will start from 3 now. That's okay. So students, remaining questions we'll discuss tomorrow. Once you check these all concepts and come for next class, Monday class. Okay, na? Thank you very much and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ravi.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, Rana. Bye.